The new car market right now is insane. Let me show you why. You understand supply and demand, and right now, demand far exceeds the supply. Here's why. It's all because of a worldwide shortage of microchips. This shortage is related to manufacturer slowdowns during the epidemic. Today, new cars are rolling computers, and these microchips control almost all aspects of a vehicle's operation. So this is a big deal. Here's how it affects you. Without these microchips, the flow of new cars to dealer lots has been slowed. In fact, this last June, compared to June 2019, there are 54% fewer new cars on a dealer's lots. With more shoppers than cars, dealerships are marking up their vehicles and they have people waiting in line to buy them. So the volume's down, but the profit margins are sky high. There are signs the shortage is coming to an end, but the foreseeable future looks to be unprecedented and unpredictable. You might not be buying a new car now, but you probably will be soon, so make sure you give me a follow. I'll show you how to save time and money.